Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy way to bead on clothes. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So for this you're going to be needing your beads, and you're going to be needing needle and thread for this embroidery beading style that we're going to be doing. If this, I'm going to thread my needle, then I'm going to pass the needle through the back. I'll pass the needle through the back, and I'm going to be following that line. So after passing my needle through the back and I'm bringing it upwards, I'm going to put just one bead inside. Then I'm going to go ahead again and insert the needle where that bead stopped. Then I'm going to bring it out from the next line. I'm going to bring it out through the next line, as you can see me do. I'm bringing it out through the next line, and I'm following the pattern I have. I'm going to follow this exact pattern I had to bead on this piece of fabric. So that's the bead sitting pretty already. That's the first one we put. So I'm going to continue on that straight line, ensuring that it is firm and tight as I place my beads and as I progress with this tutorial. So yes, just come with me as I do this. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the next moving forward with this bead placement. So I'm just going to keep doing that over and over again until I get to the end. Just continue on that line and make sure that it is firm and tight, and this is what we have after making our bead on that straight line, placing our beads on that straight line. So I'm going to continue now, and I'm going round the first flower that I drew on this piece of fabric. So I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to be following through with the same method, and I'm going to be adding my beads to the flower drawing I have going on this piece of fabric. So I'm just going to continue doing this over and over again. Just very simple, very easy to do. Exact same thing I showed you earlier. Just bring your needle from the back outwards, then add your bead, add one bead, then you're going to place your needle where that bead stopped and bring it out from the next place that you want to add your beads to. So you just keep doing that over and over again. If you haven't subscribed, this would be a good time to subscribe. Please don't forget to like this video. Also share this video to your friends, as many as you think will find this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have questions, you have suggestions. I'm also, what else am I forgetting? Yes, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I make videos like this every single week. So if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.